Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to stop Temu emails and manage your notification settings. If you are getting too many emails or alerts, don't worry. We will walk you through the simple steps to control what you receive on your Temu dashboard. Let's say you want to turn off your notifications. All you need to do is click on your account, then go to Notifications at the bottom of the menu. Once you are here, you can turn off all notifications. To manage email notifications, just click Edit and turn off the notification. As you can see, it is now off. If you want promotions turned on, simply toggle them back on. For emails and other updates, just turn them off here. For chat messages, you can turn them back on whenever you like. To do that, just turn on all notifications in your Temu notifications settings. For activity and shares, make sure you turn them all off. And that's how you stop Temu emails and manage your notification settings. With just a few simple changes, you can cut down on unwanted messages and set things up the way you like.